Hello people, this is my 2011 Firework Stash. Biggest firework stash I ever had in my life. And my whole entire life. So, right here, we have 12 of these party snaps, which is a dozen. Magnum poppers. 6 of these glowworms. These to light up with. Crackling laser flash, lightning flash. Crackling laser flash and laser flash. We got Phantom and TNT. So, and under here is pop boots. We got Phantom sparklers, 1 pack, and 6 of these TNT sparklers on the other. Phantom crackling balls. I have to say that's really nice. Loaded dice. These are super loud. Love them. Smoke ball. TNT blast. And another smoke ball pack. We got 4 packs of these tanks with stars. 3 of these crazy eyeballs. 5 packs of these ground bloom flowers. Moving on to the bigger stuff. Sorry. Do this. Okay. We got Tequila Sunrise Aquarium. This is a new fountain here. Never tried it. Looks awesome. Orchid. There's a new fountain too. Killer Bee. Black Widow, Orchid, new fountain too. Crackling Cactus, Mini Monster, Moon Dance Fountain, another Moon Dance, TNT and Fuego, Purple Rain, TNT, and Electrical Chalk Fountain from TNT. I brought another pack of that, which you can see all over here. Buy one, get one free. This is a new one right here, Viva El Fútbol. Well, I can't really speak Mexican because I'm Asian, but yeah, so. Moon Dance, Strobe, Flower Bloom, Killer Bee. Looks way different than this one. Yeah. J Butterfly Flowers, never tried that. Wow, bats, those are really good. Same thing as the Killer Bees. Whistling Phantom. Got 3 packs of those. Those are super loud. And Moon Dance Fountain. Moving on to the bigger stuff. Jade and Butterfly Flowers Fountains. These look really nice. Got another pack over there. Firecrackers, Fountain by Phantom. Electrical Chalk, which I said. This is supposed to be really nice, really big. Reading it, look how big is this monster. I mean, come on. 3 of these Purple Rains. It comes in 2 packs, and then it's buy one, get one free. So. And we have the Firecracker Fountain. Okay, so this is my 2011 Firework Stash. Thank you for watching and subscribe.